Yung mga akala mo, matagal mo makakakampi, biglang matutuldukan ang inyong pagsasama. Araw-araw mong makikita ngayon, makakasalubong mo na lang matutuldukan ang inyong pagsasama. Araw-araw mong makikita ngayon, makakasalubong mo na lang pag magkalaban na kayo. Dito sa PBA, meanwhile, a basket to open. Second quarter.
He's really fit like a glove.
Nag-Phoenix, nag-NLEX hanggang makaabot dito sa Meralco. Hito.
You being familiar with the PBA brand of basketball. So Antonio Hester, alam niya, pisikalan. What a move by Antonio Hester.
Play of the half is brought to you by Sports Plus. Nakawala pa. Nadaan sa tiyaga nitong si Hester.
Tatlo ang sumubok bumantay dito kay Hester.
As Rainer Shine will get another opportunity to tie or even take the lead here in the second quarter. What a pass coming from Asisio locating. Itong si Villegas.
Alonzo but not able to take that shot. But what a great pass that time.
Ngayon, import versus import ang ating matchup. Maliksi, three-point shot. Good again. Pangalawa na yan sa ating laro.
All the way to Villegas.
Kala yung tres.
Ika nga ni Aaron, I've faced Antonio Hester multiple times in the PBA and in the IBL. He's good down low and with his jumper. So kailangan ko yung batayan, lalo na siya ang nanalo sa huling.
Itong tres na para dito sa Rainer Shine. Dadalawa para sa Meralco Bulls. That one will fall in off the one-hander for Adrian Noco. Umupo si Jason Brickman, doing a great job earlier of setting up his teammates. Ngayon, nakawala itong si Malonzo. No communication this time on defense. Right. Handed shot. Won't make it. Tatakbo na naman. Itong Rainer Shine. Titira agad-agad ng tres. That is good. That's double digits now for Adrian Noco.
Though it's early in the offense, but it's wide open. No communication once again defensively. Wide open shot. 7 points down. Itong Meralco.
And we have a timeout with Rainer Shine enjoying a 46-39 advantage. Kailan Tiongson leading the attack. Ganda nung pasa sa ilalim. Sa Rumaragasang Aaron Fuller.
Remember in the first quarter you were saying?
Cancino using the screen. They trapped him. Bates yung kanyang extra pass na nakawin ni Clarito. Tatakbo na naman itong Rainer Shine. Aaron Fuller again with a layup.
See that time that was 2 on 4.
15 na nga dahil bonus free throw pa
Tama.
ni Fuller.
Oh.
Meanwhile, Newsome titira mula sa labas. Finally something from Meralco from time to time. So let's see if he'll be able to stay in this ball game. Noco from the elbow ang bilis ng gante mula sa Rainer Shine. Jonard Carito, poposte. Short jumper is sweet over the defense of Newsome. Another one, pero isa pang offensive rebound. Fresh 14 na naman. Sa wakas, pumasok na. Wala dito sa possession ng Meralco sa 3. Hands it off to Clarito. He'll go one-on-one against Newsome. Still a lot of time remaining in their shot clock. Clarito creating space. Same shot, same result against New. Jason Brickman. Yung pasa niya na antala. And this is a 3-on-1. Another strong finish from Aaron Fuller on the dunk. Antonio Hester threads the needle. Pero kinailangan nilang iikot pa yung bola. Cancino absorbing the contact and hitting the one-hander. Harsh offensive rebound na naman para sa kanya. Newsome block from behind. Itong si Villegas. Hester misses the layup.
With the number of fouls that he has right now.
Pero papasok ang isa pang tres mula dito kay Brickman.